Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build effective marketing strategies with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Online Store tab. Click on Themes to review your current storefront design. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand identity. Customize the theme to reflect your unique vision. Next, set up your product pages with clear, high-quality images. Add compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits. Remember to use relevant keywords for better search visibility. Now, let's create your marketing plan. Identify your target audience based on demographics and interests. Conduct market research to understand customer preferences. Use this data to position your products effectively. Next, choose your marketing channels. Consider social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Email marketing can also be a powerful tool for engagement. Head to the marketing section in your Shopify dashboard. Explore the ready-made marketing campaigns available. Customize these campaigns to align with your business goals. Now, focus on building your email list. Utilize tools like pop-ups to capture visitor emails. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Make sure to include attention-grabbing visuals and calls to action. Plan your social media content calendar for consistency. Use analytics to track engagement and channel performance. Test different types of content to see what drives the best results. Finally, analyze your marketing efforts regularly. Check metrics such as conversion rates and customer acquisition costs. Use these insights to refine and optimize your strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.